Hello, my name is LEUNG Lok Hayden. I am a Year 3 engineering student in the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, majoring in electronic engineering and computer science, with a minor in aeronautical engineering. As one of the awardees of the HKIE Scholarship 2024-2025, I am honored to be sharing with everyone my involvement with the Hong Kong Institution of Engineers over the past year and my plans for the upcoming year. To start with, becoming a student member of the HKIE has provided me with opportunities that you won't see in university lectures. For example, I have attended a technical seminar in February called Grid Forming Inverter for Power System Restoration by engineer Chow Man Hin. In this seminar, he introduced grid forming inverters, or GFMIs, which is an increasingly popular choice for power restoration after power outages. He discussed how the voltage regulation, frequency support, and inertia emulation features of GFMIs provided with properties that are comparable to actual generators, reducing the time needed to restore power supply after outages. He also introduced some testing and validation techniques for GFMIs, including power hardware in the loop and digital twin simulation technologies. Engineer Chow's presentation has showcased to me the ever-evolving industry of electrical engineering and the efforts and dedication it takes to construct a reliable power grid, something we depend on day in and day out, but seemingly take for granted. In March, I attended another technical seminar titled Building GPT, Talk with Your Building Data by Professor Wang Zhe, where he presented an impressive and highly sophisticated LLM-based solution for managing building data that can be used in conjunction with existing BIM tools. While I am not a civil engineer, I can still appreciate the ingenuity of this invention in terms of the prompt engineering techniques used. Professor Wang explained the retrieval augmented generation technique, where users' prompts will be augmented by information selectively retrieved from data sources such as databases for use in the generative AI model. On the other hand, having worked on a small-scale AI recommender project before, I know the pain points of data cleaning. So what is also intriguing to me is the process of converting dirty BIM model data into this brick schema in which building data is stored, a standardized clean data format. Attending these seminars has made me grow more in touch with the current engineering industry, the challenges that are being faced, the tools that are being used as opposed to pen and paper in university, etc. As an undergraduate engineering student, there is a lot left for me to learn, and these seminars remind me of my responsibility as an engineer to always strive for self-improvement. I am also quite keen in the world of aviation, which explains why I am minoring in aeronautical engineering. HKIE has provided me with opportunities to satisfy my curiosity in the aviation sector, such as a seminar on safety overview of ground de-icing and anti-icing of aircraft, and a site visit to the government flying services. Regrettably, I was unable to join any of these events because of adverse weather due to the cancellation of the seminar and limited quota for the GFS site visit. I hope to join these events in the future as an HKIE student member. This leads me to my last topic, which is my plans for 2026. 2026 will be one of the most exciting years for me as an engineering student because in the first half of the year I will be carrying out my studies not in Hong Kong, but in the Technical University of Denmark. As an exchange student, I will be an ambassador for HKUSD, Hong Kong, and the HKIE. I hope to share my experiences and the amazing support I have received as an engineering student in Hong Kong with other students there. For next year's summer break, I plan on taking another internship to broaden my horizon in other fields of engineering. Moreover, I will be starting my final year project in the second half of the year, which will be one of the most exciting challenges in my undergraduate studies, putting to test my skills and knowledge acquired so far. On a closing note, I would like to express my utmost gratitude towards the Hong Kong Institution of Engineers for the support and opportunities they have provided. And thank you for listening to my sharing.